Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to use Exness app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Exness application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Exness application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Creating the account on Exness is very simple. So create the account for yourself and log into your account. So Exness is a free online trading platform that allows the users to access financial markets and trade various instruments like stocks, commodities, etc. So using this application is actually very simple. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the accounts interface. You'll be able to see all your accounts over here. You'll be able to see the available balance of your account. Also, you'll be able to find the options like deposit, withdraw, details. If you want to deposit, you can tap on the option deposit. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to deposit the amount over here. Likewise, you can also withdraw the USDT if you want. Simply tap on the option withdraw. After that, you'll have to enter the withdrawal amount. Simply enter the amount over here. Tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here, your withdrawal will be accepted. Let me go back. Likewise, you can also trade. Simply tap on the trade option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the trade interface. You'll be able to trade from here. In order to know how to trade, check out our another video on how to trade on Exness and you'll be able to know how to trade on Exness app. Now tap on the option markets. Now from here, you'll be able to access the markets. You'll be able to see the top movers, trading signals, upcoming events, etc. Also, you'll be able to find the top news. If you want to see the performance, tap on the option performance that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be led to the performance interface. You'll be able to see the summary and Exness benefits over here. Likewise, if you want to see your account, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. You'll be able to find the profile information over here. You'll be able to find the information regarding the account and benefits. In the benefits section, you'll be able to find the option for swap free, negative balance protection, etc. Also, you'll be able to find the options like crypto wallet, referral programs, etc. If you want to access the settings, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find the settings like notifications, language, appearance, security type, etc. You can explore the settings on your own. So like this, you'll be able to use the Exness app. So that is how you use Exness app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.